The India-China Working Mechanism for Consultation and Coordination meeting is currently underway. This is the 19th round of WMCC that's being held. The last meeting of the WMCC on the India-China border affairs took place on the 20th of August. The two countries were unable to bridge the differences on the disengagement of the two militaries at that meeting. This meeting comes in the wake of India's statement yesterday, where it said that it will never accept China's 1959 unilaterally defined line of actual control. Our principal diplomatic correspondent, Siddhant Sipal, is now joining us live for more on that. Siddhant, what's the latest coming in from the meeting?
Well, Molly, the talks are underway. It's a virtual meeting, and remember, this is for the fifth time that both sides are meeting virtually for the WMCC conversations since the Galwan incident in June. Remember, these conversations are diplomatic level conversations, so India is represented by the Joint Secretary in the East Asia division of the MEA, Naveen Srivastav, and of course his Chinese counterpart. But this is a meeting which is happening in the backdrop of two important conversations. First, of course, the foreign ministers meet which happened in Moscow, and then, of course, the sixth round of Corps Commanders conversation. These were two important meetings which have happened amidst the crisis, because both these meetings saw joint statement by India and China with focus on several things, but by and large focusing on easing of tensions by disengagement and making sure that there is no true build-up. While there is no disengagement which has happened on the LAC by the Chinese side, one thing is for sure that both sides have said that there will be no further movement or building up of troops. So that, of course, is positive. But also we have seen just before the WMCC meet happened today, we have seen statements coming from China, two very concerning statements. One, of course, the Chinese side recalling that they would be keen that the 1959 LAC is something that is their line of perception of the border between India and China, and making a very strong statement saying that Ladakh is something, the Union Territory of Ladakh is something that they do not recognize. These are something of a shocking statement coming from Beijing, even as both sides are engaging for the conversation. These are fragile talks, even though we know that both sides are sitting together. So these are statements which, of course, we have seen rebuttal coming from India. India, of course, dismissing, saying that it does not recognize the 1959 line of actual control. So largely, these are conversations that will lead up to another round of conversation, the 7th Corps Commanders conversation. That can be a major icebreaker and perhaps could see further movement by the Chinese at the line of actual control so that the disengagement happens.
Right, so the 19th round of the India-China Working Mechanism for Consultation and Coordination meeting. We're going to leave it there for the moment, Siddhant. We're coming back to you as and when further updates come in on that front.